Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see Gmail ID password from mobile. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Gmail and click on your profile picture on the top right. From here you need to click on Google account, and from here you need to scroll. So click in Google account. You need to scroll here like this. Click on security. Then you need to scroll down. Scroll down again. And here you can see password manager. You simply need to click on this arrow, and here you need to find your Gmail account that you saved. So here you can see, let me add my patron, and this is my password. And if you want to see, you simply need to click on this I icon. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.